everyone, welcome back to Cybrosys. What if I told you a startup can manage its entire business using just one system? Lead capture, sales, delivery, project execution, and task tracking all inside Odoo. In this video, I'll show you the complete startup workflow from lead to execution. This isn't just about individual modules, this is how a startup connects team and operations in one flow. So, the very first thing is the leads. So, obviously, for that, you need the CRM module, right? So, what you have to do is we have to create a new customer. A new customer reaches out, okay? So, you can go to the CRM and create a new lead. Before that, you can't find the leads over here. So, go to the configuration and enable the leads here. Then make sure you save it, okay? So after saving this, you can see a menu have come which is called leads. So we are going to create a new lead. So I'll name it as product pricing. The probability percentage is here, the company name, the address, everything should be specified over here. So I'll name it as ABC company and I'll just leave it. And here you can set the priority also. I'm setting it as high priority. So our lead is now created. Okay. You have to give the customer name, the customer details, and the business requirement can be specified here under the notes. So this is where the startup begins tracking a real business opportunity. Next step is to convert this lead into an opportunity. So you can either convert to an opportunity or merge with existing opportunity. So once the lead is qualified, you can convert it into an opportunity. Now the deal moves from inquiry to potential revenue. It can also be an existing customer or you can create a new customer. So I'm creating a new one over here and now we have an opportunity. Okay. So deal, like next is to close the deal with quotation. So you can create quotation from opportunity. Okay. So you can create a quotation. You can add the product or service and confirm the price and then send it to the customer. So here you can see new quotation. Click on that. It will be added over here and whatever product is it, if it's a service product or normal product, whatever it is, you have to specify it over here. I'm specifying the corner desk with drawer, confirming it. The quantity is 1. Okay. So now once you click on confirm, the quotation becomes a sale order. So the deal is closed actually. Now you have created a lead that was converted to an opportunity. From there you created a sale order, a quotation, and you confirmed it to a sale order where the deal is closed from lead to the sales. Next is the product delivery. So you can see it's an automation that has taken place over here. As soon as the order is confirmed, Odoo automatically creates the delivery order. So now the warehouse or operation team processes the shipment and you can validate the delivery from here. Just like that, the product is delivered. So you can make sure what the demand quantity and all is and then click on validate. So the validation is done. You can see it's in done state right now. Now the delivery is completed. So if a service or project starts, what happens? This is how the leads work. Okay. Now you can create the invoice and complete the procedure. Next, if you create, you have to go to the project first. And then let's create a project or a task. So now let's say this startup also provides a service after the sale. So you can go to the project, create a project which is for the client that has come. I'm creating a project called product pricing itself. Okay, and I'm clicking on create. So this is the project that we have created. And you can actually create task also. Create task and move the stages. So the stage, I'm naming it as 1, 2, 3. 3 different stages. Okay, and for each stage, under each stage, for you all to add the task, simply click on the plus sign. I'm just giving the name as demo and adding it. You can add an assignee for the task as well. So go back to the project. This is the project which is product pricing. So go to the settings of the project. This is how the project looks like. The project manager is here, the name of the task is there, how many subtasks has been created, how many is completed. All the progresses can be tracked from here. So inside the project, as I said before, create task. Like for example, you have the onboarding, design, implementation, client review and all. So now the team can track the process step by step. This makes sure the startup doesn't just win customer, it actually delivers the customer. Okay, so the entire business cycle, let's see how it looks like. Okay, so the complete start or the startup workflow looks like: a lead is captured, a deal is closed, product delivered, and the service started. The task has been tracked, so you can go to the task. So if this is what the task name looks like, I'll give it as onboarding and I'm saving it. So I want it to reach the third state. Okay, so you can just click on this or simply drag and drop the thing. So from here you can add it, and here you have the automations, the fold, and all such things. So here comes the automation where you can set a new automation over here. So what happens is that yeah, the deal is closed, the product is delivered, services get started, and the task that is tracked, that's an end-to-end business cycle running inside Odoo. So this is the basic steps which are taking place inside Odoo. So instead of using separate tools for CRM, sales, inventory, and project management, a startup can manage everything in one connected system. That means fewer missed handoffs, better visibility, and faster execution. So if you are if you are building a startup, this is one of the smallest ways to stay organized without paying for multiple tools. If you want, next I can show you how these startups can save a lot of money using the community version of Odoo. So for that, you can come and start up and I'll make the next video. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.